Start here, and today we are back with Scratch making the random one game, which is really random and really stupid. And if you look down here, it's little Isaac. Hi, little Isaac. And so so far we left off with what you want your username to be. So I'm just gonna say hi. Sorry, I had to move my computer. And then this dude starts following you like that. Except I want because he's aiming kind of like in. Wait, I need to stop this. He's aiming in this direction, but when you take the cursor thing, it he is aiming somewhere else. Like the I don't know how to say this, but like the crosshairs are aiming in a different direction than where he's shooting. So I'm gonna move the crosshairs over a bit. Sorry, I still have the cold. So yeah, I think about there will be good. So I'm just gonna try that. Hi. I'm pretty sure that's better than it was before. Okay, I think that'll be good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I think that's... Oh yeah, comment down if that's good, but I'm just gonna say it's good for now. So now, I'm gonna make it so when you press space, so when you press space, control forever, when this is clicked, forever, if sensing, touching, key space pressed, space pressed, then hide this, and I'm gonna broadcast something, scope, and then this, when I receive scope, hide. I'm just gonna put show in front of this too, and in front of this, show. Oops. No, go in front, there. Okay, so now, when you press space, space, they'll disappear. And then, if not space pressed, I duplicate that. If not key space pressed, then show. I'm actually just gonna move this over to here, and then I'm gonna take out this and just put this here. Okay, so you go like that. So they're all showing. You're gonna go high, and then that, and then you press space, and then not. So that works now. Let me press space, and then let's make a giant circle here, like that. We want to make it thick, and then, that's not thick enough. Okay, make that really thick. I think that's a little too thick, but I don't really care. Yeah, that's too thick. I do care. I do care now. That's thick enough. So you want it to be nice and thick, and a circle like that, and then fully center that, and then that part's cut off there. That's fine. And then put that there, and then scripts event when the flag's clicked, go to 0, 0, because that's the center. Then so it goes to 0, 0, and then hide it first. Or not show, hide. So like that. And then now it's gone. And then I'm just going to drag this into here. And then we just have to switch these around. So then you go like that. And see, it does that now. So I just gotta say hi. And just go. And now they're like that. And then, so it does that. And then, do the same thing as this. Oops, I'm just gonna move this down. And then, go down to here and put this into here. And then just bring this to there. Move this down. And probably clean it up. And then, when you do that, press space, it goes like that. But then also forever go to 0, 0. No. Yeah. Wait, I'm just gonna see if that will work. Go to 0, 0. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work. Actually, I'm gonna change this. Mouse X, mouse Y, mouse Y. And then move this up and take that down. Clean it up. Okay, now it should work. So you go like that. And yeah, it moves. And then, yeah, it'll work. A loud thing there. Okay, so then you, yeah, so when you're moving it like this, and then you just go like that, and you're in your scope. And then I'm also just gonna put a little red dot in the middle because it makes it better. Oops. I think that's good. That's about centered. So now I can move this back down. And then go down, press high or whatever, and then space. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. So that's good. Now we just have to make it shoot. Oops, it's laggy. Okay, so events, go when flag clicked, forever, if, what do we need to shoot? Let's do S for shooting. Yeah, so S to shoot. And then, yeah, pretty sure that's good. If sensing, key, yeah, I wish I could just press S to make this faster, but gotta find it. Oh, here it is. There it is. I was just on it. Okay, so if key S pressed, then, oops, I should probably make a bullet sprite. There. Just gonna make a bullet, I guess. Nope. That's really bad. I think I need to go like this. Also make it filled in. I'm gonna make it a yellow shot. I think that's good. Down. And then kind of shrink it. That's good. And then take the storm P thing and oh wait, no, I think it was in. I need to find it. Come on. It's lagging. Save. Can I do anything? What's happening? I think my entire computer is frozen. If this, move this to there, and then I delete that. Oops. Come on. Okay, and then, oops, I'm just gonna do one more thing. Okay. Hide of S brush. Oh wait, no, forever you want to go to the storm P. Yeah. Wait, actually, no. Want to go to sprite 1. Yeah. So then when the S is pressed, create clone. When I start as a clone, show forever point, no, move 5 steps. Wait, I'm just gonna try that. And then I'm just gonna do if touching, no, if touching, no, if something touching edge, then delete this clone. Oops. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm also just gonna make it so as make it wait 1 second after this. No, make it wait half a second. I'm just gonna press enter. I'm doing this wrong. I need to make this. Wait. Okay. No. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's trying to. Whoa, where'd that go? I swear I just turned it around. Oh, that's really weird. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna save it. And then put it to the middle. And then I'm pretty sure that's good. Yeah. And then, so when he shoots, S. Video. No. Goes like that. And, but that's not what you want. You want to stay there. Right? So you want to go there and just create the black dot. Back when I realized what I have to do. I don't have time left on my screen recorder. So, see you guys later. Hope you have a good day. And maybe you guys can test out a little bit with this to see what you can do. So, anyways, make sure to subscribe and peace.